Hey, it's Bobby here. Welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to talk about tip number 20, which is to do a guest post on another person's channel, right? So you're going to reach out to other YouTubers with a similar channel or niche and ask if they want to collaborate. But before that, so stay tuned to that because I'll talk about that after I review tip number 19 from yesterday. Tip number 19 is the ask your subscribers tip. Meaning, what does that mean? Well, some subscribers will not know to subscribe to your channel or to like or give you a thumbs up or a comment, right? So I see many channels that don't even do a call to action, right? You have to ask them. Ask them to subscribe to your channel, either in the beginning of the video, the end of the video, or even during the middle of the video. But don't overdo this, okay? You gotta maybe pick one or two spots in the video where you ask them to subscribe. Shameless plug, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you, guys. All right, so tip number 20, like I mentioned, right? Do a guest post on other channels. What does that mean? Reach out to other YouTubers. My recommendation is, find a similar channel with a similar target audience, similar niche, but make sure they're around the same level as you. So if you're like at 1,000 subscribers or you're just beginning, maybe hit up the people with 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers, right? If you're at like 5,000 subscribers, maybe reach out to the 10,000 subscribers, right? Not you're just started a channel and this person has 150,000 subscribers. They're probably not going to want to work with you. But there is a workaround with that. Okay, I always tell people it's not how big you are, it's how you actually find these people, okay? But let me give you a little hint, right? Every YouTuber, either their about page or their description, right? There will be a link to their social media or email, to their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or their email, right? So the best way to do that is to go ahead and reach out to them and say, hey, yeah, let's do a collaboration. I got an awesome topic video that I can actually post on your channel. And guess what, guys? With only one video, you can reach and gain and win subscribers, right? Hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of subscribers within just one video, okay? Has to be a good video. So yeah, to recap, like I said, tip number 20 is to go ahead and reach out to your other influencers or other channels that are in the similar niche and, explain to them, let's collaborate, let's do a guest post on each other's channels, maybe do a swap, right? And that's about it, guys. That's how you win more subscribers instantly, all right? And if you guys do have any other things that you guys do that I don't mention here, just leave it in the comments down below, and I'd appreciate it. Okay, so tomorrow, stay tuned to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to talk about where to post in other social medias where you can get more reach, right? To get more subscribers, more viewers to your channel. All right, guys. And like I said, if you do like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.